Dwana yaselokishini bathi wena ufuna ukuthini ngeke wena ungitshela ne Dwana yaselokishini bathi wena ufuna ukuthini ngeke wena usitshele next One. Sanbonani. This is KwaGogoEzola podcast. Oh yeah, Danko. It's a favorite DJ Apex, and you know, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah, guys. We came here with another banger, with another show, a new podcast on the block, on the hood, Ekasi. We are gonna be the voice of the hood for Ekasi Bafitsu.
Yeah, guys, please stay tuned and please go and subscribe on our YouTube channel, KwaGogoEzola. Guys, please subscribe, because guys, there's more banger that is coming. So, as fun to putele.
Yes, oh yeah. So yeah, the channel for the podcast is called KwaGogoEzola Community Safety Network.
Yeah,
KwaGogoEzola Community Safety Network, guys.
Yes.
So please subscribe, guys. And then there's the other channels that we use for content, because as Apex Wave Studios, we have collaborated with KwaGogoEzola. So as me, DJ Apex and Lady N, we are gonna be the host for the podcast. So
we are so excited, guys. We are so excited. So please stay tuned and please click that notification bell so that you can be notified.
Oh yeah, guys.
Next time, like if we drop, I understand. Uzoba notified, like in notification is a moods KwaGogoEzola. So guys, please stay tuned. Yeah,
I'm gonna put our feet. So don't forget to subscribe to Lady N. Don't forget to subscribe to Apex Wave Studios.
Yeah,
those are the main channels for what's popping, guys. So yeah, but so stay with us. KwaGogoEzola Community Safety Network. That's the new channel for the podcast.
Yeah,
be with us on this one, because we are gonna be the voice for Ekasi. Oh yeah, Danko.
Yeah, so Mazambia. Yeah, but Mazambia na lento le ila. Sitatazela nithuka. Nizwile lokho niyabona ukuthi intwana zami ziphusha ile ndaba KwaGogoEzola podcast. I-on bafethu yabo soon kodwa bathi into yamanje mfana. Bathi no, mangithi no, into ya no. Suni ke leyo ke. But otherwise sohlangana khona ngephisi episode nentwana zami sila. Asitatazeli KwaGogoEzola, ngithi niyazi ukuthi sizohlangana ku podcast yakwaGogoEzola. I don't know ukuthi ngizobe ngihleli nabo bani, but guess what? Ngizokutshela mamela sondela eduze wami, ngizokutshela ngizobe ngihleli nabo bani ngalelo langa lela. Ngithi danke Soweto, danko Zola, phansi KwaGogoEzola. Danko.
Stay away from them so that ungeke uhluphe ngokunqanqatheka sekumele sihluphe.